Meghana Malkan is joining us. Meghana, afternoon. Thank you so much for your time this morning. Now, we all know the reasons. Slight nudge from the regulator's side coming in. Apparently, there seem to be some amount of stress test which will be done by mutual fund community, whatever the triggers might be. You tell us how the charts of the small cap and the mid cap indices in particular are looking right now.
Hey, very good afternoon. Thank you for having me over. Here's the small cap and the mid cap. Let's talk about the indices first, and then let's talk about the push towards the small cap and the mid cap. It's important to see that we are in a very crucial time zone right now. When you analyze the patterns, you also analyze the time zone. So we are in this typically second or third week of March. That puts us into an important time zone. So there's a lot of pressure. I believe mid caps are weaker comparatively than small caps, but overall, if you see, I do not see someone rushing in too much on the longs. I believe they do look dicey. 21,800 does seem to be a good support on Nifty. I see it going all the way up to there. If it does not manage to hold on the support, we could see further downside. And same is with Bank Nifty below 46,000. It looks a little weaker. So overall, I think it's the time to be cautious, not getting too much on the long side, either into small caps or mid caps.
One shouldn't be in a hurry. What is also happening, Meghna, is that the largish mid caps, say Nifty Next 50, where the big mid caps right before going into the index are housed, or some of the 50,000 to 1 lakh crore kind of market cap, big mid cap, those are also getting punished right now. Say BSE 100 index, can you check the charts over there, because those stocks are not nowhere near froth zone. If that index, you can check on the charts and tell us where do you see supports and where would you start getting comfortable to dip your feet into?
Sorry, it would be difficult for me to put the charts on right now.
Okay, no problem. Let's talk about how are you approaching markets right now? What is your strategy at this juncture, and what areas are you looking at positively?
So broad strategy is avoiding all longs. Other than long-term investments, any positional trades, I'm turning lesser towards the long side. I wouldn't say going aggressive on shorts as of now, because I'm just about to get confirmation technically on the higher time frame and the medium time frame charts. But overall, what I'd be looking at is one sector which shows promising movement right now is the IT sector. So if I do have to consider longs, I think IT sector seems to be good, especially TCS looks good to me. It has a very good support at 4150. So if I have to go on the long side, I think TCS would be something. Indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty both, I'd look for options opportunity to at least cap the upside. I don't know about the downside. I'd wait for the weekly candle pattern to close for my confirmation on the downside. But upside, yes, I feel there have been multiple divergences, and considering the time zone, I think that's how I would look at it.
Right. All right, Meghna, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon with your take on the way you're looking at the small cap, mid caps, markets overall, and your strategy to approach.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.